Hello students, in class 8 science chapter 5 coal and petroleum. In this video I am going to explain the answers of exercise questions. First question. What are the advantages of using CNG and LPG? CNG means compressed natural gas and LPG means liquefied petroleum gas. Okay, what are the advantages? Advantages of these two gases are they can be burnt directly. They can be transported easily through pipelines. They are clean fuels. Clean fuel means do not produce any polluting gases and do not give smoke when burnt. They give a lot of heat energy when burnt. Okay. Second question. Name the petroleum product used for surfacing of roads. Answer is bitumen. A petroleum product is used for surfacing roads. Next, describe how coal is formed from dead vegetation. What is this process called? Millions of years ago, dense forests got buried under the soil due to natural processes like storms, floods, and earthquakes. These got compressed as more and more soil got deposited over them. When they got buried deep in the soil, they were exposed to very high pressure and temperature. Under these conditions, these slowly got converted into coal. Okay, and this process of formation of coal from dead vegetation is called carbonization. Next, fill in the blank. Fossil fuels are, as we discussed, three fossil fuels are there: coal, petroleum, and natural gas. Process of separation of different constituents from petroleum is called refining. Least polluting fuel for vehicle, and this is, you can either write CNG or you can write the full form of this compressed natural gas. Take true or false against the following statements. Fossil fuels can be made in the laboratory. Tell no. That's why this is false. CNG is more polluting fuel than petrol. No. Again, this is false statement. That's why F. Coke is almost pure form of carbon. Yes, this is correct statement. That's why T. Coal tar is a mixture of various substances. Yes, true. Kerosene is not a fossil fuel. This is wrong. Kerosene is also a fossil fuel. Okay. Explain why fossil fuels are exhaustible natural resources. Fossil fuels require millions of years to form from the dead vegetation and animals that get buried deep inside the earth. They require higher temperature and pressure for their formation, which cannot be provided in the laboratory. Thus, fossils are limited, or we can say fossil fuels are limited. Therefore, the use of fossil fuels at this rate will lead to their exhaustion. Okay. Describe characteristics and usage of coke. You have to write characteristics as well as usage of the coke. Characteristics are coke is tough, porous. Porous means fine holes are there, pores are there, and this is black in color. Usage of coke, this is used in the manufacture of steel and in the extraction of metals. In the extraction of metals, this is used as a reducing agent. Next question. Explain the process of formation of petroleum. Okay. How can we explain it? Petroleum was formed from dead organisms that got buried in the sea millions of years ago. These dead bodies got covered with the layers of sand and clay, and lack of air, high temperature, and high pressure transformed these dead organisms into petroleum and natural gas. Next, and this is the last question of this chapter. The following table shows the total power shortage in India from 1991 to 1997. Show the data in the form of a graph. Plot shortage percentage for the year on the y-axis and the year on the x-axis. These data are given. Year is given. This is the shortage in the percentage is given. And in this case, on the x-axis, we will take the year. Okay. And on the y-axis, we will take the shortage in percentage. And before making the graph, you will decide the scale. Okay, now we can say on the x-axis we can say that is from 91 to 92, that is this block, from this to this block is 1 centimeter. This is equal to 10 years. That's why this is, sorry, 191 to 90, this is 1 year. This to this is 1 year. That's why 91, 92, then this is 93, 94, 95, 96, 97. We can say on x-axis scale is 1 centimeter is equal to 1 year. And on the y-axis you can say this, like this 5, 7, 9, 11, 13 is taken. We can say that is difference of this and this. This is the 1 centimeter is equal to the 2%. 2%. This is also the 2%. That's why scale on y-axis is 1 centimeter is equal to 2%. You can also change the scale as per your convenience. Is it clear? Then at 91, the shortage is 7.9. So you can say this is 91. If you make this is 91, this is 7 and 7.9. In graph, you can clearly seen that this is again divided into the small lines. Okay, so you can find out that is 7.9 is this point. The same way, this one is 7.8. This is 8.3. This is 7.4. This is 7.1. Now this 96, this is rises up to the 9.2. This is 9 and slightly above this 9.2. 97, this is 11.5. Is that clear, students? Okay, thanks.